invented a particular machine. So the right of this machine belongs to you. You can use this machine without taking permission from others because you have invented that machine. And any other person who want to use your machine, they must take permission from you to use this machine. So the rights what is belong to you after invention your machine is known as patent. Another glossary term is technology. Technology means it is the application of latest knowledge and skill is doing or making thing. Suppose your teacher asks you to prepare a science project and you are going to prepare a science project. So which knowledge, which method you are going to apply, you are going to use to make this project, to make your science project is known as technology. Next, look at these two terms. Time and technology are the factors which creates each and every resource, which can change the substance into resource. So time and technology are the two factors which influence the resource creation. Both are related to the people. How? For an example, look at this time. Time to time, the utility of resource is changed. For an example, you may see in movie earlier the railway engine was run by coal. There were lots of steam emitted from the railway engine. You can see the smoky railway engine. But after the discoveries of petroleum, we have used those petroleum to run the railway engine, and in modern times we are running the railway engine by electric. You may see the past Nokia mobile phone. The technology at that time was not so much developed. There was at that time there was no screen touch mobile. But in your daily life, in nowadays in your daily life, you are using smartphone. You are seeing this video with the phone, from the phone. So the technology is also changing. So these two are the factor to create a resource. Look at this, the knowledge. It is there. People themselves are the most important resource. People are also resource because human is the only animal, only species on the earth who can create resource to fulfill their demand. No other animal can create resource. Other animal only use natural resource, natural stuffs directly without modifying them. But we are the human always collecting the natural stuffs, modifying according to our need and fulfill our demand. Look at this sentence. Each discovery and invention lead to many others. The discovery of fire lead to the practice of cooking and other process, while the invention of the wheel. Look at this. Wheel was invented in Greece. First time wheel was invented in Greece, and it is the very milestone of our human invention, human discoveries. Next, the types of resource. The resources are, I said that in your daily life you may see different types of substance, different types of stuffs which are used for different purpose. So all those resources can be grouped into several categories. Look at this. Resources are generally classified into natural resource, human-made resource, and human resource in three categories. The natural resources are drawn from nature and used without much modification, called natural resource. So natural resource, look at these. These are the natural resources available to our earth, and we use this resource directly from the nature, extracting time to time from the nature without any modification, like animal, fish, like you are drinking milk from cow, air, we are taking oxygen for breathing.